Hello everyone, welcome to Bhumika Study World. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So children, today we're going to do the introduction to the chapter number 14 of Science of class 8th, that is Chemical Effects of Electric Current. Okay, and in this video we're going to just discuss about the electric current, conductors and insulators. Right? You're all familiar with conductors and insulators. You might have studied it in your earlier classes, right? So let's get started. What actually is electric current? In any substance, when the electrons flow in any material, that is termed as the electric current, right? So the flow of electrons in any material is termed as an electric current. Got it? So very simple definition. Now conductors. Any substance can be called as conductor of electricity. But how? How they can be called? If it allows the movement of charges through it. So just in simple words, I have to say that the materials which allow the electricity or the electric current to pass through them is known as conductor. The electrons of the conductors can flow freely and hence can take electric current through them, right? So as we have already studied that electric current, the flow of electrons in any material is known as electric current, right? So in conductors, as conductors allow the electric current, the electricity to pass through it, so the electrons, they can flow freely in it, right? So hence they can take the electric current through them. Fine. So if we hold any conductor and then we work with the electrical appliances, so yes, we can get a shock. Okay, so be aware of it. Now, good conductor of electricity. Now let's study about the good conductor of electricity. The materials which allow the current to pass through them are known as the good conductors. Examples are copper, aluminium, etc. Right? So copper, aluminium, etc. These are the good conductors of electricity. Now what are insulators? The opposite of conductor. Conductor allows the electric current to pass through them, whereas insulators, they do not allow the electric current to pass through them, right? And the electrons in the conductor, the electrons can flow freely, right? But in insulators, electrons are tightly packed with their particles, right? So insulators, they do not allow the flow of charges through them, flow of the electric current through them, because their electrons are tightly packed with their particles. Got it? Now what are the poor conductors of electricity? The materials which do not allow the current to pass through them are known as the poor conductors. They are also called the insulator. So just same, right? Examples which are glass, plastic, etc. You might have studied and you might have just heard that the electricians who work with the electrical things, with the electrical appliances and many more electrical things, they wear rubber gloves. They wear plastic gloves in their hand while working through them. Why? In order so that they cannot get the electric current, so that they do not get any electric shock, right? Because the plastic or the rubber gloves which they wear, the plastic and the rubber, these are the poor conductors of electricity, means these are the insulators. Okay, so they do not allow the electric current to pass through them. They do not conduct the electricity, right? Let's see some examples. Okay, distilled water. Distilled water is a poor conductor, right? It is a insulator. Okay, so poor conductor which do not allow the electricity to pass through them, right? Electricity passes, but in a very weak state, right? Low intensity. Tap water, it is a very good conductor. Lemon juice, a good conductor. Vinegar, poor conductor. Cooking oils, good conductor. Milk is also a good conductor. Honey is also a poor conductor. Soda compounds, good conductor. Mercury, good conductor. And fuels, poor conductor. Right? So these are some of the examples of the good and the poor conductors. I hope it is very much clear to you. Okay? So if you are having any doubt, please comment it. Thank you. Bye-bye.